Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com, Colorado vs. Baylor odds, early point spread released, how to watch. Both the Bears and Buffaloes looked solid in Week 3, bouncing back from road losses in Week 2. Colorado put together a mostly complete performance in a win over rival Colorado State, and Baylor strafed Air Force, rolling to a 31-3 win. With not much to separate the teams, Baylor opened as a 1.5-point favorite, according to FanDuel. The over/under is set at 56.5. Watch college football games live. Try for free Fubo. Click here now. Save $30 on your first month of Fubo by clicking here now. For a limited time, you can get your first month of Fubo for as low as $49.99. Stream ESPN, ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC and 200+ top channels of live TV and sports without cable. Participating plans only. Taxes and fees may apply. Time, September 21st, 8 p.m. ET. Channel, Fox, Fubo TV, streaming. Location, Folsom Field, Boulder, Colorado. It took Baylor a while to get rolling against Air Force, taking just a 6-3 lead into the half. But in the third quarter, the Bears poured it on, shutting out the Falcons in a 17-0 frame that put the game away, essentially. A touchdown and a 2-point conversion for good measure in the fourth quarter was the nail in the coffin for Air Force. Ticket City has been a top source for college football tickets since 1990. They buy and sell tickets for all games. Click here to buy online now. The Bears did most of their work on the ground, rushing for 230 yards at 6.1 yards per carry. Tailback Bryson Washington led the way with 102 yards on 12 carries, plus a touchdown. Dominic Richardson and Richard Reese added 48 and 47 yards, respectively. Reese also punched in a touchdown. Quarterback Sawyer Robertson completed 18 of 24 passes for 248 yards. He didn't throw a touchdown, or an interception, but did rush for a touchdown. Colorado kept up its pass-happy way with Shedeur Sanders throwing for 310 yards in a 28-9 win over Colorado State. Sanders finished 36 of 49 with 4 touchdowns and no interceptions. But the Buffaloes also showed some gains in the run game, averaging 5.7 yards per carry, with 19 carries for 109 yards as a team. However, the passing volume might still be an issue for the Buffaloes, as they were throwing late while up multiple scores against the Rams. Whether that was choice for a feel of necessity, some took issue with it. They snapped the ball with 11 seconds on the play clock, CBS announcer Ross Tucker said on the broadcast. That is not smart. I got to be honest with you, I think this has got to be coming from Deion Sanders. Because I just can't imagine this is what Pat Shurmur would want to be doing in this situation. I mean, he's a 3-time NFL head coach. I think Pat would just be taking a knee and not taking a chance of any offensive lineman getting hurt or the quarterback getting hit again.